In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an anonymous survey using Google Forms. If you're looking to gather candid feedback or conduct a study without the added pressure of respondent details, creating an anonymous survey is a perfect choice. The process is straightforward but requires a few important steps to ensure complete anonymity for your respondents. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google Forms, which is part of the Google Workspace suite and available online. Simply type Google Forms into your search bar, and it should come up as one of the top search results. Click on the link to enter the platform. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to use your Google account to log in. Once you've done that, you're ready to create your form. Upon entering Google Forms, you'll find a plus icon to start a new form. Click on this to open a blank form template. The first thing you should do is to give your form an appropriate title and description. Be clear and concise about the purpose of your survey to encourage participation. An engaging title sets the expectation and communicates the intent without giving away the survey's scope. Now, it's time to add questions to your survey. You have several types of questions to choose from, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. Select the question type that best fits your needs. Click the plus button on the toolbar to add questions as you go along. Keep your questions specific and straightforward to avoid confusion and ensure quality responses. One critical step for ensuring anonymity is to avoid collecting email addresses. You don't want to have this setting enabled if the survey is intended to be anonymous. Make sure the Collect Email Addresses option under the settings is unchecked. This important setting ensures that your respondents' identities remain confidential, safeguarding their privacy. Consider incorporating an Other option if you're using multiple choice questions. This allows respondents who may not find a relevant option to still contribute valuable feedback. An inclusive survey fosters better participation and richer quality data. After creating your questions, take a moment to review your form. Ensure that everything is correct and that your instructions are clear. A quick proofread can help catch any mistakes that might confuse respondents or alter the data's integrity. Finally, to distribute your survey, click on the Send button. You'll have several options for sending your survey, including a link or embedded HTML if you're posting it on a website. This versatility allows you to reach your intended audience effectively. By following these steps, you can successfully create and distribute an anonymous survey using Google Forms. It's a powerful tool that's both easy to use and effective in gathering honest feedback while respecting respondent privacy. Happy surveying!